Director of the Nuclear Power Institute of Ghana, Atomic Energy Commission, Professor Sedebra, then what you two just send Kebeya Power Man, here for nuclear no, and yenina mahoding, na electricity no fan to office, electricity no board day, see the nuclear yet dear, who said, born baba form cry, nothing able to you will be at the Kenny on Adom TV at Wasso.
Director no Eneda Nuclear Power Institute of Ghana, Atomic Energy Commission, Professor Sedebra, Edi Atuja say, and won't be here, sir, or mine eden home ebeko share a nuclear power emu, send a beboa ama yesika sem etumpon. Abra wakasa, womo eden chechre ema suku for a womo, whole technical university, what did you just say? So my eden home ebeko share nuclear power emu, and no crano, nebo airfo, esine in Yemkania, I beboa ama yesika sem akonkai.
Yeah, so electricity is sold, you're talking electricity in units. Current production of electricity will come the ball from a hydro. If you hear about some others, thermal ball depending on the lifespan of the thermal power plants. So if you had nuclear bombs, you see a nuclear EBD hydro as an thermal approach. The ball for a saying thermal, but in new nuclear, in new hydro, and into a bone from a damn baby.
Manager, Public Affairs Department, Nuclear Power Ghana, MPG, and so Eddie to just say, Omampeni Ekufuado, Eddie Betu just say Ghana, A2 and among, not 2013, Womo, Eddie Womo, Akoshesa nuclear power, Nedin Fasudie Abre or my Ghana.
This initiative of Ghana going nuclear from the records was re-established by President Kufuor during his reign as President of the Republic. And you can be assured that we have had massive support since then from successive governments. Nuclear power technology and application is a country-to-country, government-to-government involvement. So recently, last year in August, we have our President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, made a public statement on Ghana's status on the nuclear power project.
A suku phobia womo enya encheche bi enso ne Adom News in Central for etwetwenkomo.
Frankly speaking, I came unaware of what actually this nuclear power thing is all about. But I think after the engagement, I'm well convinced that it's going to be good for us. Yes, as a country, it will really help us. So if we can all help in this, and so that this program can come into reality, it will be very, very good.